morning. We're in Maguro Station and I'm going to my class today.
Are you excited?
Excited, very excited.
Very excited? What's for breakfast, Pops?
Tuna, lettuce, ham, cheese, and egg.
Alright. How about you, Mom? What you getting, little sis?
My usual.
The usual. How about you, bro?
I've been having this for 3 days.
Success!
Success.
Kaso lang ahunin natin yung mamaya.
Babalik tayo doon, no?
Hindi, baka pwede naman tayo magre-route to somewhere else.
We're just dropping him off.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning. Lovely to meet you. I'm Andrew. Morning.
Good morning, Norma.
Norma? Norma.
Yeah.
I love this.
Yes, man.
DJI as well.
Yes.
Yeah, and DJI too.
Yes.
Awesome. Yeah. So, what do you call that? Samosa. Oh, I'm not one of them. So
Serve it with a crispy side up, and then
Yeah.
put the sticks together. That is cornstarch and water.
Okay.
Yes. So we're gonna fry it on the frying pan with some oil,
Uh-huh.
and then add cornstarch and water on top, and put the lid on.
Yeah, okay.
That's the way to do it. Nice, very nice. Yeah, you can bring it over here. I'm just going to do the Yeah.
Yeah. 5 seconds will do. Sir? Yeah, you can grab it now. Yeah, you can show it.
You can either keep them on this side or
Meanwhile.
Of the city fade into the night when I'm holding you close. Nothing feels right. With every whisper, my heart's calling me. In this love we have, I find no shame.
Hey, Mom. Where are we?
The damage has been done. You wanna see it? No, you can see it.
Yan ba order mo?
Mainit eh.
Skytree, let's go!
Let's go. Taas!
Tokyo Skytree!
Thank you. Ano? Hindi niya makita?
Hindi,
Ah,
parang na
5 times.
ay, may 100 times. Patay! Wala ako.
Lalamig kami mo.
Ba't yung maanda ba kami?
oh, ano tayo B2.
Ito,
Anong gulo na?
Napafrustrate na ako. Ba't ba ganito? Daming trains. Nakakatakot sumakay. Baka maligaw na naman at magtanong na naman si Papa ng marami. You know, like what he's doing right now.
Towi.
O, yan yung hanapin natin.
Toy. Towi.
Sige. O, asa ko sa line. Kaso lang nakapasok na tayo ng ano.
Naglakad na lang tayo pabas eh.
hindi, pero yung bus, hindi, walang kasako sa bus.
Hindi, Papa, nakapasok na kasi tayo ng ano.
Pwede ata mag-drop
train.
out.
Lilipat tayo. Itong platform na ito.
What's your suggestion, Papa?
Hindi, tanong yung saan nga ito?
Lalabas nga tayo, ibang...
Lalabas yan.
Oo. Magbiiba tayo ng
Lord.
sasakyan.
Nakalagay dito, hindi yun eh.
Hindi ba naman itong tatay niyo kung pampagulo, nakakatulong?
Anong gusto mong gawin pa?
Pumunta na kasakos.
Pampagulo eh.
Ano gagawin natin?
Niloloko mo yung mga bata eh.
That's part of the training.
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
Tigilan na natin to, guys.
Uwi na tayo.
Uwi na tayo.
Hindi ko kasi matansya minsan. Alam. Kung gusto, game pa siya maglakad or something.
Hindi, ayaw na yung sinabi niya kanina.
Okay. Tara doon tayo malapit sa kanila.
Yung express kasi, merong mga station na hindi dinadaanan. So, dire-diretso lang siya.
Okay.
Naintindihan mo yun.
Now.
Naintindihan mo yun. Kaya pag pupunta kayo dito sa Tokyo, yun ang gagawin nyo.
Kaya pag pupunta kayo dito sa Tokyo, you need to have a lot of patience. Kasi nakakalito.
Naintindihan nyo ha? O hindi. Magtanong kayo.
Oh my God! Wow!
Too late. Bumaba na siya. Tom ka na?
Dito ka mag...
Picture sa akin ng kapatid.
Nakanganga.
Ano dito? Sino yung inong ano?
Ikaw yung
nila.
Akala ka ba solo-solo?
Isa story ko to eh. Tingnan mo naman yung picture mo kay Kyla.
Done eating.
Thanks brother for the libre.
Full of energy.
Oh my gosh. Ang lamig, lamig, lamig. Ay, guys, yun yung ano, Tokyo Sky Tree. Right there.
What are we going to do?
We will be reading our fortune. Patingin nga, cute
Sali tayo
ba?
sa... Kuha tayo ng
Oo.
raffle.
Uy, hindi ka nagsisinungaling?
Parang kang pupuntang Baguio, gano'n.
B, drop, mahal to. Anong Baguio? I mean, mahal tong...
Oo nga eh.
Just
O
the
di, wag
outfit.
na lang.
100.
Ay, Philippines pa.
Tapos kailangan may lumabas dito.
Ah, may English.
So, regular fortune.
Welcome.
Lost article.
Late. Building
Titulo ng
a
lupa.
new house.
Oh my gosh.
Building a new house.
Sorry.
85. Ito 95.
Doble yung nakuha ko. Kaya
Nakuha ka
nabalik ko.
Kuha ka ng isang papel.
Meanwhile.
Yes yun? Hindi. Yung, hindi ko alam.
Mamaya yan.
Gawa-gawa ako. Here's my fortune. Kayo muna ako na makakakita.
Regular
guys.
fortune din.
Wala bang ano dyan?
Ano sabi?
Ano? Have calm mind with nothing to regret or
Ayan, good
worry
fortune.
about.
Ayan, ito, okay pa.
Hindi na sila
Good
interested sa
fortune.
akin, guys.
Ako kasi regular.
You will win the ramen making noodle.
Ano?
You will be good at making ramen noodles.
And then,
And then you will create a good ramen. Dali na wala yung nangyari sa akin.
nag-moist tuloy. naman sa
Your
mundo.
hopes and desire come true. Being free from sickness. Find the things you've lost. The person you are waiting for will show around soon.
Pero akin na to.
Sorry.
Joke ko sa inyo, tapos
Hindi. Akala babasahin lang eh, ang video. Anong number yan, Diko?
69.
Oh, sige. Next.
60.
Bastos pa yung
Bastos pa.
Ulit!
Okay, we will tie the knot once more. We will try and try until we succeed. Okay? Oh my God.
Ipaikutin mo. Hindi, ganun. Hindi ganyan. Hindi na umikot. I-flat, horizontal mo muna.
At ganito.
Ayan.
Kakapiloso po ni Papa na...
Hindi na kapila.
Ang OC talaga ni Mama. O, tinan mo, tinaas. Ano sabi?
Tonight, I repeat those words. And again. I shall return.
Home from Asakusa.
Annyeong!
Konbanwa. Singalingaling. Lingalingaling. Go, go.